In this video, I will tell you about move and copy tools of AutoCAD. So here we have this rectangle and we have a circle here on one of the vertices. Now let's say that we want to move this circle on the second vertex here. So for that, we can select the move tool from the modify panel. So select the move tool. Now click on the circle, press enter, and now specify the base point. As you can see here, the command line prompts you to specify the base point. So the base point will be the point from where the object will be picked. Now click here and you'll notice that the object will now move along with our cursor. Now look at the command line and it now prompts you to specify the second point. So the second point will be the destination point where you want to move it, and click there to move the object. So that's quite simple. Now we have a copy tool here. So using the copy tool, you can make copies of this original object. Now let's say that we want to make copies of this circle on the remaining 3 vertices. For that, simply select the circle, press enter, and once again select the base point. So the base point will be this midpoint in this case as well. And now click at the destination point, which is this one. And now click again on the destination point and click again on the destination point. And now when you want to exit this command, simply press enter, and here we have it, the copies of the original object on these 3 vertices. If you want, you can also make multiple copies of a single object using the copy tool. So let's make a simple rectangle here just like this, and now let's assume that we want to make 6 copies of this rectangle at a particular distance. For that, I'll select the copy tool and now select the object and press enter. Now specify the base point. So this will be the point from where we want to pick the objects. And now as you can see that we only have a single copy of this object. Now you can make multiple copies using the array tool. Here we have this array tool. So click on this array and now enter number of items. So we'll add 6 as number of items. Now press enter, and here we have it. We have 6 objects instead of 1 as copies. And now you can click at any point to place all of these objects and they will be placed at uniform distance. Now if you want to apply the complete distance, the distance between the first and the last object, then simply select this fit option. And now you can see that our cursor moves to the last object and we can apply the complete distance, and based upon that all the objects will be equally placed. So I'll click somewhere at this point, and here we have it. Now simply press enter to escape this command, and here we have it, the multiple copies of a single object. So in this way you can use move and copy tool in AutoCAD.